Hi, my name is Eric Olson. I'm going to explain in real brief fashion what HELPS can do for you and how we can help. What we do is we represent seniors and disabled persons receiving Social Security, pension, disability, or VA benefits for the purpose of having an attorney in order to stop collector harassment. The Federal Fair Debt Collection Practice Act provides that when a person is represented by an attorney, collectors may no longer call or send letters to that person anymore. They have to communicate to the attorney, with the attorney. And that's what we do. We represent seniors in all 50 states as their attorney in order to receive collector communication. And generally our clients are lower income, poor, have debt they can't afford to pay. They can't afford, nor do they need a bankruptcy, but if they don't pay the debt, the creditors can call and make their lives miserable. Maybe they're current on everything, but yet they're eating macaroni and cheese. We tell them, no, you don't have to pay this whole debt. You can stop it. When you enroll in our program, we'll send a letter to the people you owe money to advising them they must communicate with us, and they have to leave you alone, and they will. Of collectors, of the 10 commandments of collectors, if there were 10 commandments, the first commandment is if someone's represented by an attorney, I can't talk to them, and they won't. Okay, so that's our main thing that we do. We also educate seniors on how they can maintain their financial independence, and I'll talk about that. But the first thing we want our people to know is that if a client ever has a question, or worry, or concern, they can pick up the phone and call us anytime. I don't care if they call us every single day; they can do that. The cost for HELPS is absolutely minimal or free. We never turn anyone away that needs our help. People enroll over the phone. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes. Then they send us their collectors they don't want to hear from anymore. We send them a letter, and if they get email while they're on the phone, we send them an email immediately, verifying they're enrolled with all our contact information. And we do other things as well. We'll help seniors get on non-collectible status with the IRS if they're lower income, and virtually all of our clients qualify to do that. We'll help them stop a garnishment of Social Security by the IRS if that's happening. On student loans, we'll help them get them on an income contingent repayment plan. And for most of our clients, the amount they have to pay is $0. If they're disabled, we'll help them get the student loans discharged. We'll talk to them about other areas. We'll tell them about food availability, talk to them about transportation issues, talk to them about if their home, what happens in a foreclosure, maybe talk to them about a reverse mortgage. Does that make sense? We do many other things for our clients other than just stop the collectors from harassing them. We don't technically give legal advice to people. We don't meaning that we don't represent people in court. Very rarely do our clients really need an attorney. If they do, we'll help them find hopefully a pro bono attorney that will work for free in the area they live. If a client of ours is sued, we'll contact the attorney, advise the attorney the client's income is protected, and that they're going to get a judgment, but not to touch the client's bank account. And we'll call the client, tell them not to worry, explain to them what their rights are and why they don't need to worry. So that's just a brief synopsis of what HELPS does. We do other things as well. Check our website out, www.helpsishere.org. But the sole purpose of HELPS, if there is a sole purpose, is to help seniors that owe debt they can't pay so they can stop paying it and they don't have to be harassed by collectors anymore. And they always have an attorney they can call with questions if they're worried or scared. And we always ask our clients share what HELPS does with others. As far as I know, we're the only law firm that does this in the country. We have a specific focus, which is to protect seniors from harassment and educate them how they can maintain their financial independence. And please call us if you have any questions, toll free 855-435-7787. And you have a great day.